Once upon a time, in a small town surrounded by rolling hills and lush greenery, two young souls were about to embark on a journey that would shape their lives forever. It was the first day of school at Meadowlark Elementary, and the air was buzzing with excitement and nervous energy. Amelia, with her curly brown hair and bright blue eyes, nervously twirled a strand of hair as she stood by the entrance of the school. Meanwhile, Jake, a freckle-faced boy with a mischievous glint in his hazel eyes, approached the school gates with a mix of curiosity and anticipation. Jake, ever the optimist, flashed a friendly grin and helped her gather the scattered books. "No worries. First day jitters, huh?" he chuckled, making Amelia blush with a mixture of embarrassment and relief. Amelia managed a shy smile. "Yeah, definitely. I'm Amelia." "I'm Jake," he replied, extending a hand. Amelia hesitated for a moment before shaking it, feeling an instant connection that transcended the awkwardness of first meetings. During recess, Amelia and Jake found themselves sitting on a bench under the shade of a sprawling oak tree. They exchanged stories about their families, hobbies, and dreams, realizing that they complemented each other in ways that seemed almost destined. As the weeks turned into months and the seasons changed, the bond between Amelia and Jake deepened. They faced triumphs and tribulations together, supporting each other through the ups and downs of school life. Their friendship became a source of strength, a comforting constant in the ever-changing. Years later, as they stood side by side at their high school graduation, reminiscing about their journey from that fateful first meeting, they realized the true magic of friendship, the inexplicable connection that turns strangers into lifelong companions. Amelia and Jake went their separate ways for college, but the memories of their first meeting at Meadowlark Elementary remain etched in their hearts. No matter where life took them, they carried the warmth of that initial encounter, forever grateful for the serendipity that brought two kindred spies.